Alright guys, so here I have my 1994 Geo Metro XFi, and ever since I got it I've been having some issues with the horn. So it doesn't work when you just press it regularly. You have to turn the wheel at a certain angle and then it'll work. So that right there, that's the angle will work. So I'm guessing the issue's somewhere here in the steering wheel, so I'm gonna have to take it apart, and this is my first time taking it apart, so hopefully I don't run into anything drastically challenging. So should we take this off right here? Comes off pretty easily, and then there's a nut in the middle, which I'll give you a close-up in a bit. Alright, and this takes a 17 millimeter. Yep, 17, so we'll take that off, see what happens there. Alright, so I've taken the camera off the mount, and here is that nut that I was talking about. It's right in the middle. It's also got a screw on top, a screw on bottom, and these right here, these are the contact points that are used to honk the horn. There's 4 of them. It's got a green wire, and it's also got a white wire from behind it. So I'm going to start taking this all apart and see what we can find. Loosening, and there we go, it's off. That came off very easily, and here we see the contact points for the horn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean them and see if I'm gonna clean this because it's all greasy and see what happens from there. Alright, and for those of you who want to test to see how the horn works underneath this, here I have just regular speaker wire, and I'm just gonna make contact between, there's a contact point right here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, I'll give you a close-up on it, but you just touch that contact to the base of the steering wheel and you should get it a honk, just like so. So that really eliminates the problem and lets me know that it's somewhere here in the steering wheel. So I'm going to clean this up, and hopefully it'll work. Alright, so here we have that contact point that I was talking about. And over here we have a cleaned contact plate. And then there's a single white wire, and after investigation, it actually shows that the green wire and the white wire are actually the same. They're connected together. And I'm going to put it back on, and hopefully we got a positive result. Alright, so now I have definitely found the solution. On my steering wheel, this guy is not tall enough to touch the contact point when the steering wheel is on. So my solution is I took the end off one of my fuses that I had laying around. So here I have a little metal point, and I put it on the contact. So that's going to make it just a little bit taller. If I live closer to pick and pull, I'd probably just go and get another one of these rings and double up on the ring. So I have 2 rings, so it makes it taller. But since I'm too lazy to drive there, this is my redneck solution. So I'm going to put the steering wheel on and it should be working. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a test, make sure it works at all different angles. And there we have it. I have a win. Thanks for watching.